got the WeChip PC remote smart television remote, settings button, voice, volume up, volume down, cursor, select button, direction button, power button, and home. In the back is where you store the dongle, and it will receive 2 AAA batteries. You get the remote, you get the user manual, you get the dongle, and the functions are 2.4 gigahertz air mouse, 6-axis gyroscope, infrared learning function, Google Voice, wide compatibility, and it's a remote control for your PC, laptop, smart television, or gaming machine. Very good value for your money, and it makes a great gift, a wonderful addition to your PC and desktop accessories. Thank you.